Hello and thanks for watching YouTube. Just very quick video on showing the difference between ortho and user perspective. So let me just show you a cube, for example. Here, let me just actually go back to my original cube. I've twisted this cube a bit so I can show you in a more visible way the difference between ortho and perspective. So when I press number 5, it shows me ortho or perspective. So the reason for that is this: if you look at a representation of a cube in a real world, it looks like this. So one vertex and the other vertex, although they are exactly the same length, but depending on this the vanishing points and the angle of the viewer and the distance from the viewer, they have different representation in length when you're drawing on a paper or in a computer display, which is a 2D. So that way it gives you the illusion of depth. Otherwise it won't be. So here is another explanation of why, if from here the viewer point we are looking at it, what we see is the length are seen differently. So let's go back to Blender. So now we have here a perspective representation. So this length is bigger than this length is bigger than this. It's not really 90 degrees here. Now if I go to ortho, then this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and it's not really 90 degrees. It's more to do with this length. They are exactly the same. These are also exactly the same. This is good in some places when you are just designing, but when you want to look at it, what the outcome, the real, in the physical world, what your object would look like, then you are better off with the user perspective. There is one more way, another than pressing 5, is to go to view and press on this item to toggle in between, and it says numpad 5 in case if you forget it. Thank you very much. I hope this explains what the difference between ortho and perspective view is in Blender.